right, guys, we're out here with the Mantis 8. Out of the mothballs. Out of the mothballs we go. Okay, this thing here only has 44 miles on it. Holy cow. Yeah, I didn't get a chance to ride this one much either. So, but we will this year. We'll ride it a lot more this year. All right, so we're gonna take a little cruise, check on everything, make sure that brakes and the motor and the battery's okay and everything after the hibernation. So yeah, let's just ride it. Hey Scott, how you doing, brother? I just went through a mud pie. I got brakes, go ahead.
You're moving on that thing.
These things are a blast, bud.
They look like it.
Oh, they are solid fun, man, believe me. Make sure I got the third gear on, right? I've only been riding around in the second gear right now. So I'm gonna stop and put the third gear on here in a minute. See this one, you're supposed to stop the scooter when you change the motor speed on this. That's what it says anyway. See, you kind of... Yeah, this thing's real nice, man. I love this Mantis 8, man. Now I just saw a new Mantis, a fluid free ride Mantis. A new version is out. Yeah, this is a really nice scooter, man. I'm telling you guys, this is really nice. For the price point on this thing, it's sweet. It's $1,000, you know. Wow, really nice for that money, believe me. Oh, let me go take a ride up to Popeye. Let's go up there and see what all the wingdings are doing. Oh, there's a nice big line. Give me a wing. It's a nice big line here at Popeye. Give me a wing. You know, this is the kind of scooter, this thing rides so nice, it steers so nice that, you know, you don't even want to try to conserve the battery. You just want to just get on it all the time. It's like the Mantis Pro I have. Yeah, you don't want to go easy. You check this front tire now. I've been having that little bit of, oh, it's still solid. I've been having that little bit of problem. The air leaked out of it over the, I mean, it's sat for a few months, right? So, but I was having some issues with it when I first got it. The back one, I never had a problem with it. But the front one I did, it leaked out a couple times. So I don't know what the heck the deal was with that. And I don't want to put none of that stuff in there unless I have to, you know what I mean? I don't want to put any of that goop or any of that stuff in there unless I'm forced to. So, yeah. Wow. Yeah, this thing is so nice. So nice. Wow. I really love this thing. Wow. Looks like they cleaned up a little bit back here. Yep, definitely. Supposedly they're making some apartments in here. I don't know, man. This building is in such a bad shape. I mean, it looks from the outside like it's in horrible condition. Yeah, it's still condemned. So I don't know. I don't know what they're gonna do. Excuse me. Great brakes on this thing too, man. Brakes on here are really nice. So I think I'm gonna take the Pegasus out tomorrow for the ride from the Keysport or whatever up to the water tower. So we'll do that tomorrow. Okay, so this thing's riding good, man. Absolutely. Absolutely.
That's all, folks.